Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum One app. In this video I'll show you how to check system software and update. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the app and go to system software. Here is your current version for device and for the app. Go to device and install update. Now wait for the update to be installed. It might take a while, so simply wait for installing process to be over and your JBL Quantum One will automatically reset. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.